what you will become after completing digital marketing course. In this video, I'm gonna explain like what you can become after completing digital marketing course. Hey guys, I'm Veeru Chaudhary. I'm a digital marketer, social media expert and sales trainer. So in this video, I'm gonna break down all your doubts in this simple video. Okay. So what you will become after completing digital marketing course? You can be a freelancer. You can be an affiliate marketer. You can earn money through blogging, affiliate marketing, freelancer. You can start your career in professional job. You can start your own business on digital marketing. So there are n number of ways where you can earn more and more money and value to your life. So don't waste your time on thinking like whether digital marketing is a good choice or not. Digital marketing is 100% the best choice where you can learn digital marketing. So there are many teaching institutes, many training institutes, many people who are teaching digital marketing. So even I'm teaching digital marketing for free. Don't miss this opportunity. Grab this opportunity and start your wonderful career in digital marketing. So now I'm gonna explain each and everything very clearly. Focus on it, guys. So the first one, you can start working for any company, job. Okay, so you can get the job easily. There are n number of jobs already available. You can see Naukri, Shine, Indeed, every platform. There are 5 lakh plus job opportunities already available in digital marketing. By 2020, you can expect 20 lakh job opportunities in digital marketing. So this is very huge. You can opt for this. And number 2, you can start your own business on digital marketing. So there are 1 crore plus companies registered in India. So every business needs digital marketing. If you are not on digital marketing, you can say this to any client. So if you're not doing business online, your business will be out of business. This is not my words, this is Bill Gates words, and this is very, very true. And so 1 crore companies require digital marketing. You can start your own digital marketing agency and you can acquire clients and you can start promoting their company. And number 3, you can be a blogger. So if you need a personal assistance on affiliate marketing and freelancing, you can drop me a mail. I can assure you on affiliate marketing and freelancing. Okay. And the 4th way is like you can earn money through YouTube. You can earn money through Adsense, where you get some lot of traffic to your website where Google pays you some X amount of rupees. You can apply to Google Adsense account and they'll pay you. Grab this opportunity, guys. Grow your career in digital marketing. Thank you.